Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lollipops from sugar. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, ensuring you have everything ready. Next, understand the critical stages of sugar cooking to achieve the perfect texture. Then, learn the proper techniques for pouring and cooling your lollipops safely. Finally, we'll explore various flavor and color options to customize your sweet treats, making them truly unique. To begin, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 3/4 of a cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Then, add 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. This helps prevent crystallization. Before heating, prepare your lollipop molds by lightly greasing them and have your lollipop sticks ready. A reliable candy thermometer is absolutely essential for accurate temperature monitoring throughout the process. Now, place your saucepan over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and allow the mixture to boil. Watch your candy thermometer closely as the syrup heats. You'll need to cook it until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Remove from heat immediately and quickly stir in your desired flavorings and food coloring. Working quickly, carefully pour the hot sugar syrup into your prepared lollipop molds. Be precise to avoid spills. Immediately after pouring, insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled mold. Allow the lollipops to cool completely and harden at room temperature, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once firm, gently remove them from the molds and wrap each lollipop individually for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.